Hello po! Kamusta na po kayo dyan? So, welcome sa isang panibagong video. So, for today, ngayon ay i-discuss ko naman sa inyo kung ano naman ang ating magiging format for the month of April 2025. So, I hope you are in pretty good condition. So, pag-uusapan natin is what is going to happen for the rest of the world in 2025. So, the Lord already has a plan but no disclosures yet on what are the specifics of it. But the Lord will assure that for all those who believe in Him shall not perish. So, magiging maayos ang mga Kristiyano. So, the Latin America has been, let me say, they're not there. So, they're really off when it comes to their relationship with the Lord. So, that's what the Lord has told me. So, they've been off. So, sabi sa akin, I think it's about time for them to, we need some shake-off, sabi nila sa Latin America. Sabi sa akin, we need some shake-offs. So, because they haven't learned to value God's grace and God's grace and provision. So, they don't appreciate it. Instead, they have gone the other way. Yun ang sabi sa kanila. So, they're really good on doing the things that the Lord doesn't like. Ever since their Inca days, ever since before, talagang they don't follow the Lord, and until now, well, it's there. I mean, they don't obey the Lord. So, ang sabi sa akin ni Lord, this, papahintulutan ko na yung plano ng demonyo sa kanila. So, yeah, since 2023, 2022, there's already a plan for destruction for the Latin American countries. Meron na. Hindi lang talaga pinapahintulutan ng Diyos kasi the Lord is a good God. We have to remember that the Lord is the one that always makes a way to make the devil delay its ways. But if there's no delay by the Lord, I mean, everything is going to be bad. So, para ba magsisimula ang atake ng demonyo? So, it's gonna be north and south to the extremes from Mexico and Argentina, respectively. Diyan magsisimula ang atake ng demonyo. Well, the devil also has a plan to start somewhere central. So, those are some of the plans na what could be? What is the medium? So, marami. It could be earthquake. It could be a drought. I mean, don't get the Lord started with that kasi He could do all of things. Kahit wala sa plano ng demonyo, baka isingit ng Lord, baka yung demonyo magulat pa. So, it's pretty bad. I mean, the relationship of the Latin Americas and the Lord has been sour. And there's no salt and there's no light between those nations. I hope they could consider their ways, they could amend their ways before, it's too late. So, yun lang naman. So, I'll thank you and God bless.